How's it going? It's Khoa here, and in this video I'm going to show you the new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, and this is the first proper camera that I bought just for vlogging, because I tend to just use normal the iPhones to do vlogging or webcam, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to go pro and I'm going to get myself a proper camera. So I'm going to unbox the box, and it's quite nice. It's the Canon one, PowerShot G7X Mark II. But the reason why I didn't buy the Mark III is because I think it's a bit overkill, because with the Mark III I heard that you can stream live onto YouTube, but at the moment I don't really care about streaming to YouTube, because I can just get the video and just upload to YouTube, so it doesn't really matter. However, the Mark II, I was test trying it in JB Hi-Fi, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So anyway, let's open it up. And just letting you know that I don't know much about cameras and stuff, so this is the first time doing this. Okay, so let's have a look. So you got the typical manual that no one reads. I'm not going to read that. Okay, so you've got the obviously you've got the power, so the charger, of course, you're going to use the charger. Let's have a look. Okay, so I also bought a memory card with it as well, so this is what it looks like. So there we go. So that's the Canon G7X, looks like that, and on the back of it you've got a pretty cool screen. So when you're doing your vlogging, you can actually see yourself while you're vlogging, which is really useful, because you can get the alignment correctly, and it also does an auto focus, and also I believe it also adjusts the film quality as well. This is just filmed, obviously this is just filmed just on the webcam, but I'm going to show a different video on how the video looks on the camera as well. So I'm going to plug in the power. So let's have a look. I'm really excited. It's going to be awesome. I bought this because I'm going to Singapore and Perth next month, so I need like a vlogging camera, and I'm gonna make some awesome videos. Okay, it goes into there. Also comes with a little thing for the. I think that's pretty much it. Check out the box. Okay, so I plugged that one in there. I plugged in the memory card as well. It's got a, what is it? I've got a 64GB SanDisk, if you can see there. Alright, it goes straight to the bottom there. Okay. Plug it into there, close it. I had to charge the battery before to get a bit of charge there. You turn the button on there. Beautiful. Alright, so it makes a nice little chime noise, and then you can flick it like that, and if you can see the angle there. So the thing opens up, and you can also adjust the what you call it, one of those, I don't even know what I'm doing but you can adjust the style of the film, I guess. So I haven't figured out how to film yet, but you do it like that, and then film, and yeah, that's how you do a proper selfie. So there you go, if you can see properly. So it's a really nice camera. I really like it because it's versatile, it's easy to use, and it's just really easy to use, and I really like it because I can carry it anywhere. I can be on the plane, do a quick vlog, and then what else is there? Then I can just pretty much just record, and I can copy it to my computer, do some editing, and that's pretty much good to go. On the back of it, you've got a lot of really good details there, if you can see there. Maybe you can help me on what it looks like, but you can see that you can adjust the resolution, you can change the audio, I believe, and you can also change the aperture, I think. But yeah, the reason why I bought it, because it's just very easy for me to use. Compare my iPhone to this one. I can do the same thing with my iPhone, but this is just dedicated for just vlogging, and that's my whole purpose, is just to vlog and make some great video. I paid I paid $697 for this one. The reason, and it was initially selling for $750 because I found that you can actually do a price match. So I actually price matched it to to what was being sold online, and then they were able to price match that as well. So it's a really good camera, and you can film for about 30 minutes. I think you can film for about 30 minutes, and then you probably have to change the battery. So I'm still trying to figure things out. Overall, it's a really good camera. It's got an audio, it's got a microphone at the top there. You can plug your HDMI, if you can see it there, the USB, copy over some stuff on the bottom. You can put like a tripod or something. So I've got my own little tripod thing there. I can plug into there. Alright, so I'm going to use it as my, how good is that? So I can film, okay, I don't know what that means. I think that's the thing, but you can hold it and you can film, and you can do all these cool things. And I'm gonna also get like a microphone, and I'll put it at the top so you can film. So you can just sit on the tripod like that. It's a pretty sturdy camera. So now I can do my vlogs and also my podcasting as well. The whole idea is to also use this as a wide angle, so when I do my interviews I can record the wide interview from a wide angle, and the rest I can just shoot the individual ones, so it looks really good there. So that's it for the Canon C7X Mark II. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, I highly recommend this camera. I'm going to take it for a spin tomorrow, and then eventually I'll get a bit more practice with it, and then I'll do like a more detailed review, I guess. So it's a fantastic camera, highly recommend it. Go check it out. You can probably buy it at the Canon website, or you can just go to the typical camera shop and they'll sell it, and maybe you can do a price match as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks.